Welcome back to another property tour. I'm Vicky Bryant, your local realtor specializing in the South Atlanta suburbs. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a returning fan, I am here to help you find your dream home in this beautiful area. Before we jump into the tour, if you'd like to gain priority access to all the latest developments in Atlanta, head over to my website, search new homes in atl.com. You'll get exclusive access to the hottest new construction homes in the Atlanta area. Best of all, your information is safe and secure, and it's not shared with the world when you use my site. And if you'd like to keep up with all the brand new developments in the South Atlanta area, make sure to subscribe to my channel or shoot me an email and I'll include you on my VIP distribution list for all the developments that are coming soon and the general public is not aware of yet. But for now, let's get into the tour. So today we're at the Georgian in Newnan, Georgia, which is a small private community of 16 homes. It's right in the heart of Newnan. It's a prime location. It's close to shopping, dining, the interstate 85, and the 34 bypass. Everything is pretty much at your fingertips here. This community is zoned for Welsh Elementary, or now Middle, and East Coweta High Schools. All of the floor plans have the owner suite on the main level. The lots are small, but they're manageable, and they come fully sodded and with irrigation system installed. There is not much for amenities here, just sidewalks and street lights. However, your HOA fees are extremely low. Homes are mostly 4-bed, 3-bath, anywhere from 2,300 to 3,000 square feet. Most of the homes here are on slab. However, the final opportunities are actually on a basement. Today, we're going to take a look at one of those final opportunities. But before we do this, if you like this video today, and if you enjoy the information I put out here on this channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested to keep up with all the brand new developments in the South Atlanta suburbs. This home is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,590 square feet on the main level with additional 1,700 square feet of fully unfinished basement. It is offered at $569,900. It's move-in ready, and the builder is currently offering $15,000 in buyer incentives. If you would like a private showing, or if you would like to find out how you can get those incentives, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. If you're just browsing, enjoy the tour, and please drop me a comment and let me know what do you think about this home and where are you watching this video from. I'm really curious. Are you enjoying this video so far? Are you finding the information I provide useful? If so, hit that like button on your screen. It's the best way for me to know that I'm providing useful and valuable information to you, and I thank you for that. Okay, your turn. What did you think about this home? Quite frankly, your opinion is much more important than mine, so drop me a comment and let me know. And if you want to learn more about Newnan, Georgia, make sure to watch the next video on your screen, especially if you're looking to make a move here in the future. Now go watch the video, and I'll see you there.